It may not make sense, but it's the real deal. That's what the Lord was speaking to me. It doesn't appear great. It doesn't appear nice. It doesn't appear strong. It doesn't appear the way people are expecting. What is it? It doesn't. It doesn't like. It looks like it doesn't. It does not call it. Not it doesn't qualify. Something doesn't look the way it seems in the spirit, but that's the real deal. The Lord says, please open your eyes right now. If not, you're going to miss something. Something great that is coming towards you that doesn't really look nice. The package is so bad. The presentation is it looks so disgusting. It looks ugly. The way it's coming, it looks so terrible. But the Lord is saying, please focus your eyes. Focus your eyes towards that. There is something great that has been wrapped up. That verse doesn't look nice. Please, I'm speaking to somebody right now, beloved. I don't want you to miss something this season. Please, I don't want you to miss something this season. The Lord is bringing something towards you. Something is around you that doesn't look pleasant or nice. Or the Lord said, check it out. Check it out. It doesn't make sense, but check it out. Treasure is inside. Blessings are inside. Glory is inside. Healing is inside. It may not make sense. It doesn't make sense. Some things they don't make sense right now. They don't look nice. Perhaps they are causing some things are causing you some discomfort. The Lord is saying, please look at it really critically. Is it an ugly situation? The Lord says, look at it critically. Something beautiful has been wrapped up in something um with something unattractive. It is yours. Go get it. Don't be afraid to approach it. Approach it, even as ugly as it is. Approach it and take that great thing that has been hiding in it. God bless you.